Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about fantasy fragrance from Britney Spears. Now Britney Spears has come out with lot of perfumes, but this is her very first fragrance in the fantasy line, and I really wanted to test and try and get my hands on it. This is one of my most oldest wishlisted fragrance. Since almost 3 to 4 years I wishlisted this and I really wanted it, and I just couldn't get myself to get this one. It was available at fridaycharms.com. I was looking at it and I was like, okay, should I or should I not? Should I or should I not? Finally decided to pull the trigger and purchased myself my first fantasy fragrance by Britney Spears. So let's get started with the review on this one. Let's begin. Before we do so, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, and you do follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's begin with the packaging. It comes in this very quirky, funky box, which is so multicolored and looks very childish and juvenile in my opinion. But then can be said that fantasy, Britney Spears by fantasy, this is kind of like a teenager appropriate fragrance. So maybe the packaging is justified on this one. It is like bright pink, blue, green, and whatever colors these are, with some crystals made on top. And yeah, you have the ingredients and all the details at the bottom. I purchased this one from Friday Charms. I got it in the range of 3600, and I think I got 100 rupees off, so 3500 is what I got this for. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a gorgeous pink color bottle with crystals, like actual crystals stuck on it. And then you have this plastic rim and a plastic cap to it with a silver atomizer. Like, yes, the bottle is pink. It does look very juvenile and it does have that candy looking feel to it. My daughter seems to love this packaging because it's pink color and that's her favorite color, so she likes it a lot. Now this perfume opens up with a fruity blast. It has kiwi, some lychee, and quince. Now the opening is kind of like sweet and tart at the same time, and juicy as well. The opening is quite juicy, and then it goes into this very nice gourmand accords of white chocolate with some cupcake. Along with these gourmand notes, it also has like orchid and jasmine that adds into some floral touch into this fragrance, and then it has like musk, some orris, and woodsy notes that adds on to some maturity and some depth in this fragrance. Now in my opinion, this one is a very gorgeous kind of like a fruity gourmand, a woody musky fragrance. It does feel like a gourmand bakery, but because of the floral elements and the fruitiness present in this one, it does have a perfume like quality to it. It's not like edible gourmand, it's like a fruity gourmand perfume. Like, you will get that perfume feel in this one, is what I'm trying to say. Now the musk in this does add to some hint of powderiness in this fragrance, but it's just very balanced. मतलब ऐसे नहीं लगता कि it's like a baby powder. You know, it doesn't give that baby powder वाला feel. But yes, the woodsy notes that are present here are just adding a little bit of maturity. But overall, this fragrance does feel borderline meant for teenagers or juvenile. However, I am loving this. I'm rocking this. I love sweet fragrances and I don't mind putting this fragrance, but I would have enjoyed this much more when I was in my early 20s or when I was in my college. I would have really, just gotten ham with going with the sprays with this one. Okay, now that I am a working woman and now that I prefer a little mature fragrances, this one I do need to layer with a more spicier fragrance or maybe a more woody based fragrance to just give me that mature oomph factor to it. You know what I mean? So it does work really well with other fragrances in layering. Sometimes I even add like Mama Earth's Vanilla Bliss fragrance, because it's like a powdery milky vanilla fragrance, and the musk in that is very strong. I kind of layer that with this fragrance to make it more potent. That combination layering really works well. I also layered this one with blueberry musk by Arabiat, and that layering combination is just amazing because it adds on to that berry touch in this fragrance. So that just kind of like blows my mind. Like that layering combination is amazing. So this fragrance, I find it to be very versatile in that way because it just works as a very good layering combination, right? I am loving this fragrance through, and I feel that I have spent my money well on this fragrance and I am loving it. Not sure if I will repurchase this though, but for the experience that I got it, for the way I wanted to feel, the way I wanted to kind of experience this, overall I am really liking this fragrance. Coming to the longevity, this gives me around 5 to 6 hours. I do have to, again, like I said, I have to refresh this fragrance at around a mark of 5 hours to kind of make it more potent and make it more refresh and kind of have like a good scent bubble around me. The sillage and the projection is moderate on this one. When somebody is talking to me, sitting next to me, or in a closer distance, definitely they'll get the wisp of this fragrance, and I do get compliments. This is such a compliment getter. I'll get to that. But yeah, the projection and sillage is moderate, and it creates a decent scent bubble around me. And so anybody who is in like a close vicinity or is hugging me, they will definitely get a good wisp of this one, and this does get me compliments. This is such a non-offensive fragrance. Everyone loves it when I wear it to office. So this is a compliment magnet, a very girly, a very feminine fragrance, and this color just screams that femininity. And also this goes well with western fragrance as well, with western outfit. Like when I'm wearing like jeans and top, or when I'm wearing dresses, that's where this fragrance complements me more rather than when I'm wearing Indian attire. So just keep that in mind. Very good to be worn during daytime and any occasion. Even you can wear this on your birthday and smell like a cupcake, and everybody is going to love it. So this is kind of like a everyday scent, plus can be owned up to be created or be used as a special occasion fragrance as well. All right, so that completes my review for this fragrance. I definitely feel this is like a 8 out of 10 for me. The hype is real on this one, and I do kind of like that this is hyped. I love the scent profile. Okay, it's a very people pleaser scent profile, a very happy, a very good start of the day kind of a scent profile. So I do like it. I do recommend it. If you are a sweet good morning lover, you should try this one. You will like it. I have been loving this one, and I definitely recommend this one. I got mine from fridaycharms.com. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.